Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Korean chicken stir fry, also known as Dakgalbi. So let's get started. For this we need first for marination 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of gochujang paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon corn syrup, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. For stir fry, we need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup of chopped cabbage, half cup sliced carrots, 1 cup sliced sweet potatoes, 1 cup sliced onions, half cup green onions, 1 cup Korean rice cakes, 1/4 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. For garnishing, we need 1 cup mozzarella cheese, half tablespoon toasted sesame seeds and some chopped green onions. Now for the recipe, first to marinate the chicken. In a bowl add black pepper, gochugaru, minced ginger and minced garlic. To this add rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, corn syrup and gochujang and mix everything together. Next add chicken thighs and mix everything. Cover this with cling wrap and keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour to 2 hours. Next, place a skillet on high heat. When the skillet is hot, add oil. To this, add chicken and mix and cook for 5 minutes until it starts to turn brown. To this, add sweet potato slices and mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. To this, add onions, green onions, carrots and cabbage and mix. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the vegetables are soft and sweet potato is tender. To this, add soaked rice cakes and water and mix and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the rice cakes are tender. Add the corn syrup and mix and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, reduce the flame and add cheese in the middle and cover and cook until the cheese melts. Garnish this with sesame seeds and green onions. Your cheese Dakgalbi is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.